Hi my beautiful angels, welcome back to my channel. For foundation today, I'm going to be using the LA Go Pro Coverage Foundation, and I swear I live by this. It's like my holy grail. I love it. I'm going to be going in with my damped beauty blender, and as you can see, I'm also blending that out towards my neck. By the way, babes, I'm so excited to be back on my channel doing these makeup videos for you all. I'm so excited to be back. Let me know down in the comments what other looks you guys like me to do. I'm going to be going in with my trusty old JUVIAS Place Concealer, which is actually a foundation stick. I just use it as a contour stick because, girl, I love the finished product. It's so crazy to me how back in 2015, I believe, I used to like cry. I would be like, oh my god, I wish JUVIAS Place would drop some foundation, concealer, and look now. I'm so excited for them. I love these products for sure. So when blending out my contour, I never really swipe the product. I always tap it in and I'm moving upwards towards my face, never downward, because we do not want to look sad. We want to look snatched. Concealer, I'm going to be using my Tarte concealer. I think this is the extra coverage. So this one was like light coverage and this is the extra coverage. And I like a light concealer. I feel like it's going to give me more of a snatched look. And as you can see, I'm doing this technique where I actually conceal underneath the contour. That's going to give us a more snatched look. In fact, I always do my base first and then my eyes. I mean, when it comes down to a dramatic eye look, I'm going to always do my eyes first. But honestly, never. I honestly always do my base first. I don't know why. I feel like all of us makeup artists are very different in that. You know, with my clients, I always start with base. Actually, comment down below, what do you start first? Eyes, foundation, concealer, what do you do first? Let me know. And I swear I live by this. This is my trusty old translucent powder. I swear I live by this. Oh my god, this is the AIRSPUN Translucent powder. I swear it's amazing. I literally been using this powder since I was 15. I kid you not. And honestly, guys, this is my day one powder. I would take this over any other powder, literally. And it's only like, what, $10? Moving on to eyes, we're gonna be taking this JUVIAS Place palette, and I'm actually gonna be using the chocolatey color just to shade in my transition. Brown, I'm going to actually just focus that on the outer V, creating this like shadowy look, just because we want to have that ombre effect on our lids. As you will see, I'm not going to drag this shade too up. I'm just going to leave it right in the center of the lid and just continue to blend until you get your desired look. Fun fact, I'm actually getting ready to go to the movies. I'm taking myself out to dinner and to the movies today. I'm actually going to go watch Thor. Let me know down in the comments if you guys actually like that movie. Bestie, I always take myself out to dates, to dinners, so hey, why not record these makeup looks for you guys while I'm getting ready? After years of blending, I'm going to be taking a clean fluffy brush and I'm just going to be blending those two shades together just so we don't get no harsh look. Now I'm going to be using the BH Cosmetics palette and I'm going to be using that neutral shade just for the inner corner of the eye. And this is where we're going to be creating the ombre effect. And honestly, just go in however you want. I actually just like to tap in the product, closing my eyes, just allowing my hand to trust the eye look. So just go in, sis. You gotta trust yourself. To clean up this mess, I actually go in with the brush that I use for the chocolate color just to blend that in together. As you will see also, I'm going to be going in and out of brushes, just blending it in shade by shade just to get my desired look. I'm going to be going in with actually my Kylie Jenner blush. I have no idea why my clip didn't show up. But yeah, this is the Kylie Jenner blush. I am obsessed. As you guys can see, I add blush everywhere, and yeah, I'm obsessed. I'm going to be going in with one of my fluffy brushes and just to swipe off all the excess powder. Using that same palette from Juvia's Place, I'm going to be taking the middle shade and using it as my highlighter. I know it's kind of crazy how Juvia's Place palettes are like so amazing that I even used, back in the day, I used to use Juvia's Place palettes like for eyeshadow as blush and contour. Like, could you not? I'm telling you guys need to go check out Juvia's Place, even though they haven't sponsored me. But could you not? Look at this glow, girl. I'm obsessed. I'm going to be going in with my e.l.f. black eyeliner. By the way, guys, all of these products are going to be listed down in the description box below. But this is my trusty old eyeliner. I actually wanted to be so dramatic today that I created the thickest eyeliner ever. I just love a thick liner. Like, who doesn't? Taking my rhinestones, I'm actually going to be placing 4, just 2 on each eye. I actually wasn't planning on adding rhinestones, but you guys know me, I'm very dramatic, and I just wanted to look very cute today for my date. Even though, girl, it's just me. I actually love how this look turned out with the rhinestones. I'm going to be going in actually now with my lashes, and I believe these are the BADDIE lashes. They were just like, what, $5 at the beauty supply. Girl, go check the beauty supply. I love these lashes. Look how fluffy and natural they look. Going in with my NYX Cosmetic lip liner, and actually this is my go-to. I'm gonna actually be showing you guys my lip combo very soon, but this is it. I actually go in with my lip liner, a nude lipstick. After applying the nude lip, you can actually leave it like this, but you guys know me, I love my gloss, and I'm gonna be just taking my gloss and blending that in together, and I'm obsessed with the look. Now to set my makeup, I'm actually going to be using my homemade setting spray. Oh my god, girl, let me know down in the comments if you guys actually would like to purchase these. Spray is amazing, so yeah, it's homemade, and let me know down in the comments. I would love to drop those for you guys. Now I'm going to be showing you guys my lace front. Girl, you see that? Where's the lace? I don't see it, and I love these curls. I mean, I've been just obsessing over blonde hair recently, so I was like, you know what, might as well go in all out blonde, girl, honey blonde, yes. And I'm obsessed. Like, look at the curls, the thickness of the hair, oh, to die for. But babies, this was all for you guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed the look. Thank you so much for tuning in. Bye.